How to download and install OptiFine in Minecraft 1.20. Certainly. To download and install OptiFine for Minecraft 1.20, follow these steps. 1. Download OptiFine. Visit the official OptiFine download page, https://optifine.net/downloads. Click the Preview Versions button. Under Minecraft 1.20. Download OptiFine HDUI5 Pre3. Wait for the download to complete. 2. Install Java 17. If you don't have Java 17 installed, download and install it. Java 17 is separate from the Java used by Minecraft. 3. Install Jarfix. Install Jarfix. https://johan.luffflman.net/n/software/jarfix/index.html to ensure OptiFine runs smoothly. 4. Install OptiFine. Locate the downloaded OptiFine file. Run the .jar file and select install. Make sure the installer points to your .minecraft folder. 5. Use OptiFine in Minecraft 1.20. Open the Minecraft launcher. Select Java Edition. Choose OptiFine from the drop-down menu next to the play button. Enjoy improved visuals and performance in Minecraft.